Here is where Montessori method comes into picture. Some of the philosophies or principles of Montessori method of education is to give freedom to the child. Now, this is one of the most important principles or philosophies of Montessori method of education. Now, what is freedom? Child can choose the work. Child can choose what he or she wants to learn. In a normal education system, the concept is we make children sit in a classroom. Teacher comes to the classroom and teaches one concept to all the children. Whereas in the Montessori method, the child is given a freedom to choose the activity and through which the child will understand and learn the concept. The next principle is something called as a prepared environment. So what is prepared environment? Prepared environment is nothing but a classroom where all the materials are stored. These materials are child friendly. The materials are stored in a shelf which is easily accessible to the child. Then a prepared environment also has another very important element that is called as a trained adult. So when I say trained adult, a teacher who is trained in Montessori method of education. Now this constitutes prepared environment. The next principle is mixed age classroom. Now what is mixed age classroom? In one classroom, in one environment, there are children of different age group. Normally in a traditional school, in one classroom, there are children of same age group sitting together and teacher is teaching from a whiteboard or a blackboard. In a Montessori environment, a mixed age classroom is a very beautiful way of introducing various concepts. In a mixed age classroom, children of various age groups, say for example, a child of 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, all these mixed age children are sitting in one classroom doing various activities appropriate to their age. That means what? Each child is learning various activities and concepts according to his age. Now, what is the advantage of this? Each child is observing another child, seeing what the other child is doing, and in the process of observation, 20 to 30% learning happens. The next principle is freedom to choose. A child has got the freedom to choose the activity what he wants to do. That means the interest for learning is from a child's side. That means the responsibility to learn is of a child. In a traditional method, child is forced to learn, and whether the child is interested or not, the child has to listen. There is no option, there is no choice. So that is the reason we say follow the child. Now, what is follow the child? Whatever child is interested, you provide, you give that opportunity for the child to learn. So these are some of the principles of Montessori method.